Alright, today on Millennial Reviews we're taking a look at the TELESIN aluminum bike mount for the Polaroid Cube. So the Cube looks like this guy. When it comes in from Amazon, it's in this packaging here, showing what it is right there. And let's go ahead and open this up, see what we have going on inside. So inside of the package, what we're going to have here is the mount that's actually going to hold the Polaroid Cube. This feels like it's made out of some sort of plastic, something like that. And you'll notice on the bottom here, it's set up with a GoPro style mount. So this guy should be able to, yeah, just slides. Actually, I think that's backwards there. It's got a little notch right here for the light, so it's gonna slide right in like that. Sits nicely, and then when you tighten it up, this is gonna be pulled together and help hold the camera in place here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the handlebar mount that comes with it as well. Right here. So this is definitely made out of aluminum, which in the listing they say this is an aluminum mount. Comes with our Allen keys to use it, and just to be able to demonstrate what it'll do, I've got a handlebar in front of us here so we can use it. Bear with me. Perfect. Pull that to the side. So this is a 31/8 handlebar. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how it works. So you can tighten that together here. Then on the bottom, let's put that Allen head bolt back in. Guy tightens back up, tighten the other one here. So those two are going to tighten into place. Then this has a really secure connection. You can tighten it up basically as much as you want. Then let me go ahead and take this bolt out here. So this will slide right into place there. Put our nut in. There we are. We've got our Polaroid Cube mounted up to a handlebar, ready to go out for a ride. And when this is tightened up, yeah, the Cube is not going to go anywhere. That's pretty neat.